Hello everyone. For today's video tutorial, we will learn how to use InDesign for graphic design. So what we have here is a sample article that we will try to recreate using InDesign. So to do this, we'll click File, then New to open our new InDesign window. Then we will set our page. Click Create. Now we will have our guidelines. We'll click Layout, then Create Guides. So for this, we'll click a guide using 4x4 grid line. The next thing we will do is to have our pictures. So to do that, we will go to our folder, click the picture you want to include, and drag it on the InDesign paper. Now that we can see the thumbnail, we will just drag it to create our image. Next, we will rescale our image. If you want to add another picture, we will just use the same method. Then we will resize our picture. Then click Fitting and click Fit Content to Frame. Then we will rotate it. So to do that, click Transform and Flip Vertical. Then drag it to the position you want the picture to go. The next thing we will do is to have our title. So we will click Type tool and make our text box. Now that we have our text box, we will type our title. To change the font color, just simply click Ctrl A, go in here, and click Registration. To make it more visible, we can change the font size, and you can also change the font style. Lastly, our article. So we will just use the same method. Since we have already a pre-copied article, we will just click Ctrl V. But you can also write your own content. And there you have it, our article. And that's how you use InDesign for graphic design. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.